Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your Lincoln MKZ 2007 to 2012? Wondering where each fuse is placed or how to read the fuse box diagram correctly? In this guide, we'll walk you through the exact location of the fuse box and provide an easy-to-understand diagram to help you identify the fuses for various systems. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2007 to 2009 Lincoln MKZ protects high-current systems like the cooling fan, ABS, and ignition. It's compact, weather-sealed, and labeled for quick service access. This box ensures safe power distribution for essential engine and drivetrain components. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2010 to 2012 Lincoln MKZ manages vital systems such as the PCM, electric power steering, and cooling fans. Designed for durability, it features a sealed cover and labeled fuse layout for easy maintenance. This setup ensures stable electrical flow to key engine and safety components. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2007 to 2009 Lincoln MKZ powers interior systems like the audio unit, power windows, and interior lights. It's located under the dash and features labeled "Fuses for easy identification." This fuse box helps maintain comfort and convenience features inside the cabin. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2010 to 2012 Lincoln MKZ controls essential interior functions, like the climate control, power seats, and infotainment system. Positioned under the dashboard for easy access, it includes clearly marked fuses for quick servicing. This ensures reliable operation of the vehicle's comfort and convenience features.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuses and fuse box diagram is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.